Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you might have seen a little plane doing some rather unusual circles over Vancouver recently, and if you did, you're probably wondering what on earth is going on. Is it a secret spy mission? A really lost tourist? Well, as fascinating as those ideas are, the reality is actually pretty important for all of us who fly. Personally, I think it's a fantastic example of how much goes on behind the scenes to keep our skies safe, and most people have absolutely no idea. We're talking about Nav Canada, the folks responsible for making sure air traffic control and navigation systems are tip-top. What they were doing was conducting flight checks on the Instrument Landing Systems (ILS) for Vancouver International Airport's North Runway. Now, why is this so critical? Well, the ILS is essentially the backbone for pilots when they're landing, especially in less than ideal weather. It provides incredibly precise navigational information, guiding planes down to the runway. Without it working perfectly, landings become a whole lot riskier, and that's something we definitely don't want. What makes this really interesting is that these checks aren't just a casual thing, they're a regulatory requirement. Nav Canada has to do these inspections to make sure everything meets Transport Canada standards. It's a constant cycle of maintenance and verification. In my opinion, this highlights a crucial point. Aviation safety isn't just about the pilots and planes. It's also about the invisible infrastructure that supports them. These routine flights, even if they look a bit odd from the ground, are absolutely vital for ensuring that accuracy and reliability we all take for granted. One thing that immediately stands out is that these checks are routine and scheduled. The source material even clarifies that this wasn't a reaction to any recent incidents, like the one at LaGuardia. This is just part of the ongoing proactive work they do across the country. From my perspective, this proactive approach is what prevents major issues from happening in the first place. It's easy to focus on the dramatic, but the real heroes of aviation safety are often the ones doing the quiet, consistent work. Now, you might also recall hearing about air traffic controller shortages at YVR causing delays. While these flight checks are separate from that issue, it does paint a picture of the complex operational challenges airports and air navigation services face. It's a reminder that a smooth travel experience involves so many interconnected parts, and any disruption in one area can have ripple effects. So the next time you see a plane circling a bit lower than usual near an airport, don't panic. It's probably just Nav Canada doing their essential job, ensuring the systems that keep us all safe are functioning as they should. What this really suggests is that the safety of our skies is a continuous effort, involving constant vigilance and meticulous checks. It's a fascinating, albeit sometimes noisy part of keeping the world moving. What are your thoughts on the unseen work that goes into keeping our travel safe? Let me know in the comments below.